Hey guys, and welcome back to Burst Planet. Today we're going to do an unboxing, and today I did not expect to get any of these in. I didn't expect to get any of these in the mail. Today we're going to be doing King Helios, which I did not expect to come in. The parts are Helios, King, One Balance, and Zone. Then we got the sparking launcher, which I can't wait. The power, where's the power at? There it is, okay. See, it's supposed to have more power than an LR string launcher, that is awesome. And then we have Killer DeathScyther, which is Daigo's evolution of Dark DeathScyther. I thought I'd go ahead and get it because I didn't have it yet. And the parts are Killer DeathScyther 2 Vortex Hunter. Okay. I gotta do the sparking launcher. I gotta do it. I want to so bad. Kids, stay safe around knives. Have parental supervision if you can. If you can't have parental supervision, do not use a knife until you can. Okay, and also, if you are using a knife without parental supervision, cut away from yourself. Always a pro fact, okay? Always cut away from yourself. And when you're done with it, put the knife back. Okay, whoa. Okay, did I just give away my code? I think I just gave away my code. Is that my code? That would really suck if that's my code. Y'all can have it. I don't care. I don't have enough points to do anything. Oh my lord, doesn't that look cool? Okay, I'm gonna put that box away for now. Whoa, okay, put that away to the side. Oh lord, that is cool. It's so thick. Oh, that's so cool. Knives away. Like I said, knives away. Oh, that's so cool. Here, let me put the box up real quick. Let me put the box up. I gotta put the box up. So I can throw it away later. I may not throw it away. I may just keep it. But that's so cool. That feels so weird. Here, let's try to get a spark. Oh. Whoa. That is so cool. Okay, well that's on that unboxing. Oh, that's too cool. Okay, that's that one done. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that's too cool. Okay, so always cut away. Oh, definitely getting that. Definitely getting that. That's mine. Okay. Get out, get out. Whoa. That's cool. Okay. Okay, how many stars of on this disc did we get? On this disc right here. Oh, we only got a 1 star. Well, okay. It happens. Okay, now, oh, that actually looks way better than I thought it would. Dang. And the scythe. Okay. I thought I'd go ahead and put this in. I didn't know if y'all wanted it in. If y'all didn't, just skip past it. Just skip right past it. Just skip right past it. Okay, so we have all the way up to 11. Dang, this is a lot. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a lot of stickering. I may have to do King Helios by himself. I don't want to, but I may have to. For the sake of time, because I got plenty of time. I'm off for 2 days. Okay. So, let's start with the first one. Okay. So we're going to start off like this. We're going to go from 1 all the way to the number 11 right there, to number 12 right there. Okay? Just so you know, so you can stay with me if you want to go by with me. And if I do start to use my knife, like I said, do have parental supervision. Parental supervision. If you are under the age of 8 or 10, to help with have a parent help you at any point in time. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get my knife out. Like I said, parental supervision. At any point in time you are using a knife. Because if you don't, you may have a very big chance of cutting yourself. Because I have done that many times, even though I was under parental supervision. Okay. Right there's number 2. And there's number 1 right there. What's going on with number 3? I'm trying to hurry up and get past these, so I can hurry up and get to King Helios. I don't know if I'll be able to make it into this one, but if I do, lucky to you all, and to me, because I really want to upload it and unbox it, because I want to see how King Helios works. And I know everybody else in the Bay community almost really has it, but I don't. So I'm in the dead zone back here, wondering why everybody else has it. How and why does everybody else have it and I don't? Actually, I didn't expect it to come in. It wasn't supposed to come in for a whole 2 to 3 days. Actually, it wasn't supposed to come in until June. Why did it come in now? Well, I'm not gonna complain. Y'all are happy. I'm happy. Let's have our fun. Okay. And then number 5. Some of them you can just guess, you can just see where they go because of the outline of how the mold is done, and how and where those little curves are, and flat places, because they have a lot of flat places. You can just tell where they are. Like this one, I could just tell it goes right there. And just whip diddly dang right there. We got it. That's number 1 through 5. Now we're moving on to number 6. Number 6 is Right here. There's number 6. Number 7 goes where? Right there. Okay, let's see if I can get it there. Number 7 goes right there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there. Number 9 goes where? Oh. I got number 8 in the wrong place. Well, that's what happens if you go too far ahead. I thought I was getting in the right place. And I did say that there are some places that look better than others. Dang, this video is 12 minutes long. Dang, I gotta start wrapping it up.
Why didn't that grenade hit both of you? The game is bugged. I threw it on the ground. My game's broken. It's not.
Okay, I think I finally got it. On to 14 minutes. Good lord, I gotta go faster. I'm not even on 12 yet. Sorry that I'm quiet. I'm trying to hurry up and get this done because Good lord, my video's going on long. I can't do that. It's gonna take too long to upload. And I seriously don't got that time. I mean, I am off for 2 days. I'm off for tomorrow and today and the next day, but good lord, I'm trying to... Whew, this is one of my longer videos.
My grenades don't work.
There we go. Wait, is that all of them? Oh my lord, I got them all. Except for the hunter one. The one for hunter. Oh, yay. That's nice. So, that would be going right there. Got it. Okay. That is all of that done. Okay. Well, okay. I'm gonna have to end this one here. I know it's a bit of a delay and a shortage. I know I was gonna do King Helios in this video also, but I really can't. I'm sorry. I am really sorry. So let's get this all bagged up.
But I'm not holding them right this minute. But now they're gonna be wrinkled, and now then I have to take it all the way back.
Okay, thank you guys. That's the sparking launcher and Killer DeathScyther. This is Burst Planet. I'll see you in the next video.